Hi guys, so for this I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 40. So now that I've chained 40, for row 1 on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. In the next 4 chains I'll make 1 single crochet in each chain. So we need 5 single crochet in the beginning of the row. We already made 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now in this next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. So here in the beginning of the row we have 5 single crochet and 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet in each chain until we have 6 chains left at the end of row 1. We have 6 chains left at the end of row 1. In this next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet, and then in these next 5 chains I'll make 1 single crochet in each chain. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I will chain 1, and right there to the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, in the beginning of row 2 we need to have 5 single crochets, so this one counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet in each chain until we have only 6 chains left at the end of row 2. Now we have 6 chains left. In the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet, and in these last 5 chains I'll make 1 single crochet in each chain. So this completes row 2. So we repeat row 2 for the pattern. In my case I made 60 rows. So now we are at the end of row 60. I will chain 1, I'll leave a long tail, and then I'll cut this yarn. Now we're going to join these 2 sides with a crochet hook, and now my sister is going to continue trying to do something.
Okay guys, so I'm sorry, I have a cold, so just bear with me. So you need to put your hook through here and here, yarn over, pull it through, chain 1. Put your hook through here and here, slip stitch, slip stitch, and continue to do that for the entire row. When you get to this point, expand your last stitch and put your work through it. And then put your hook through 1, 2, 3, 4, through the 4th stitch. Pull the yarn through it. Skip these two, then go in here, put your yarn through it, skip these two, put your hook through here, 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 and continue doing that for the entire row. Pull your yarn through. Tighten it. And then secure it. So this will be the inside of the hat. So this is how the finished hat will look like. You can cut the yarn and lose the ends now. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.